All right, guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we got a cool install coming our way right now. We're gonna be doing a front lip from Extreme Online Store. As you know, in the last video I had broke my lip, so I broke the RTR lip. Oh, wongo, it's about to fall off and stuff. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna be test fitting the Extreme Online Store front lip. It's a two-piece though, so it's an upper and lower. It's gonna look sick, bro. It's full carbon. I got the car washed the other day, pretty clean by the homie Ivan. Came out nice. Check it out, guys. So this is a two-piece lip from Extreme Online Store. Pretty nice, pretty good. It's a little dirty, but look at full carbon. This is the upper piece right here, pretty nice. That's the bottom piece. Hopefully I won't break it. Hopefully it lasted a good while. But it's really good quality. Honestly, to see about the fitment, hopefully it fits pretty nice. They already have the hose pre-made already for the upper and lower, so let's see how it is. Hopefully it fits nice. So right now is 11:07 right now. So I'm gonna get started, see how long it's gonna take. We're gonna jack up the vehicle from the side because the car is low, so it's a little hard to jack up. Let's get this install started. Please, guys, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Honestly, it helps a lot. I appreciate it very much for everybody. But yeah, guys, let's get this install started now. All right, guys, first thing first, jack up the vehicle. Obviously put jack stands. I'm gonna do that right now. So I jacked the vehicle right here. Since my car is low, it lifted up the back a little bit too, but this is more than enough room for me underneath. Let's go under, hopefully. So right now we're gonna take off the bottom skid plate, get that out of the way, take off the broken lip right here. I think it has like 10 bolts on the bottom or more. We'll see right now in a bit. Once we get that out, then we can install this. So it looks so clean. All right, guys, after you guys jack it up, I'm gonna go down here. So you guys can see. Okay, so these are 7mm bolts. There's about, I want to say a cool 20 of them or more. So we're gonna tell the skid plate right here, and then once we tell the skid plate, we can have access to inside of the bumper, like through it back, and we can take out the rest of the bolts. It is a lot of bolts. Hopefully the camera could adjust. So if you're doing by hand, it's gonna take forever. If you do it with an electric gun, it'll be faster. See, simple, way much faster. All right, guys, real quick, you're gonna come to the side right here. You need to have this panel popper. So there's one on each side and two on the bottom of the skid plate. It's a little hard to get to. There you go. Can you see that? All right, so I'm just gonna pop it out, just like that. Now the skid plate's all loose. I'll do the same thing to the other side. So you come over here. It's gonna be this one right here. It's only one of them, okay? I believe it's only one. I hope it's only one. Alright, so look at this. Got it out. Now we got two on the bottom that we gotta get to. Alright, guys, we got the skid plate off right there. After like 100 bolts later. Now we're up in here on the bottom. So we're gonna have to sneak up in the back of the bumper and loosen all these clips and the bolts. I believe there's 7mm also. So let's go ahead and do that. So you guys can see it right there. Boom. Alright, guys, after loosening all those bolts, there's a lot of them. They're probably like a good 20, 30, probably 40 bolts. But anyways, if you have an electric ratchet or electric gun, bro, use it. Let's see, right now 11:30. We're already halfway through. The reason why it's taking so long is because obviously I'm doing a YouTube video and I'm trying to do a little video for Instagram. Hopefully it comes out good, hopefully. But yeah, look it. What the hell? Alright guys, so that's how it looks without no lip, all goofy and stuff. But anyways, go to your old lip. You're gonna take off these little clips right here. These are for the bolts. And then you're gonna come to the new front lip. And make sure you put them on like this, okay? So it's gonna slide on, just like that. Simple, easy. So we have to do, there's about 2, 4, 6, like 8 bolts for the lip. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, it's a little hard to record and put it on by yourself. But anyways, after you transfer over all the little clips, basically you have to line all these little plastic clips now in the grooves. And then you have to push slowly to make sure it goes in even and everything's all nice and lined up. So right now, I'm gonna put the camera down and push it in. Hopefully it goes in nice and smooth. Bro, oh my god, this shit's easy. Look at it. That thing fits perfect. Hold on, I only did this half. I'm gonna do this half right now. So like I said, push it in slowly. So let's see. Oh damn, damn. Damn. Look at that. That fitment looks good. Right here's a little bit off, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll push on a little bit more. Hopefully it sits a little bit nicer. Same thing at this side. So I have to push it in. Right now I'm just trying to be careful because it is carbon fiber, so I'm gonna break it. If I break it, bro, I'll be so mad. And you might want to wear gloves. My hands are all dirty now. But anyways, look at the fitment. That thing looks clean, bro. All right, it is 11:38. So it shouldn't take more than an hour. It should take only like 30 minutes. But I am doing an extra step. I am going to post a video on Instagram, like I said. Don't forget to follow me on Locos.Garage or 5.0 Nico. Go ahead and check it out. Don't forget to drop a comment, subscribe, like. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm not done yet. I got this big piece still. But, bro, sheesh. Woo! That thing was intense. Alright, so we got that one on. It looks pretty good. Honestly, look at that carbon in the sun. We're gonna do the bottom lip now. So what's a pain in the butt is the push pins that go on the side right here. They go inside the bumper, they push down. So we did do that, but it is like a little tiny gap right here. I try my best to close it. It's not bad. Honestly, it's not bad. So now let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. It's a little hard doing it by yourself, but so what I'm gonna do is start off from the middle first, put the middle bolt in. So start from the inside and then work my way out. Bro, this shit looks sick. Carbon hood with the carbon front lip, double lip. Pretty sturdy. Damn, that thing looks sick, bro. Okay, it was a little hard putting it on by myself, but bro, we did it. An hour and 8 minutes. That's including Instagram videos and everything else, bro. It's done. Let me know what you guys think, bro. Damn. Right now I'm gonna lower the car. This way you guys get a better look. I still need to put a couple things back in, such as these 2 panel poppers and on the other side too. But bro, damn, that looks sick. All right guys, we're finally done with it. So it took like an hour, like I said, an hour and 10 minutes. Bro, I think it looks sick. We don't have to use these little ramps to take it off. Cross my fingers. Nothing happens to it. That shit looks so good right now. Damn. So I'll make my custom ramps. Bro, check out the car. That thing looks way better than factory. So you guys know we got the Extreme Online Store hood. Now the front lip. We have the SNR lowering springs with spacers. Then we have the Extreme Online Store rear gurney flap with the performance spoiler. We have the automatic USA tail lights. And then we have the reverse light from Extreme Online Store. Bro, this thing is wet. This thing looks sick. So let me know what you guys think about this video about the install. I had to do it pretty fast because, bro, like honestly it took me like I said, like an hour. Honestly it'll probably take you like around 30 to 40 minutes without recording. But let me know what you guys think about the install. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. The fitment's pretty great. I mean right here's off just a little bit, but bro, it's not even bad at all. It's like centimeters. But other than that, the fitment looks good, perfect. Sheesh. I'm excited. We're gonna take some pictures right now. I just gotta wash up. I'm all dirty and stuff. But yeah guys, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe like I said. We'll catch you guys in the next episode of Locos Garage. Peace.